Here's something for those who are relatively new to vintage Macintoshes. Now this here is a Power Computing Power 120, which is a Mac clone based on the Power Macintosh 8100. This one has a 120 megahertz PowerPC 601, but I've upgraded with a Sonnet Crescendo G3 new bus, which upgrades it to a 250 megahertz PowerPC G3, as you can see right here. And this one uses a processor direct slot to upgrade the processor. And unfortunately for this janky angle, it's because there's a problem with this ribbon cable, which is supposed to let me use my high performance video card alongside that processor upgrade. Now there are many different methods to upgrade the CPU, whether from the processor direct slot or the ZIF socket or even the L2 cache. So it was a pretty budget way to upgrade to something faster for older Macs and clones.